Install Permission Handler plugin. Get package. Now we need to declare the location permission we need in both Android and iOS app. In Android, it's in the Android manifest.xml. In iOS, it's in the runners info.p list. Go back to the Dart application. Let's display the location permission status. Import permission handler plugin. Declare a variable to hold the permission status. And display the status in the text widget. Let's check the permission when the state is initialized. Override init state and check the permission with the permission handler. Check permission status returns a filter, but we don't want to wait the filter in the init state process because we don't want to block the UI. So we will handle that in the callback. In the callback, we will check if the status is changed. If so, we will update the state to rebuild the UI. Let's compile and run the application. Now we have the permission status displayed. Let's add a button to ask for the location permission. Run the application. Okay, we have the button. Provide some space between the widgets. Now let's ask location permission when the button is pressed. For the same reason, we will handle that in the callback. And now update the status. Restart the program and click the button. Here we go. The permission request dialog pops up. Let's click allow. You can see the status become granted. What if the user denies the permission when we ask? Let's give it a try. Click don't allow. So the permission will become denied. Let's ask the permission again. Nothing happens. This is because in iOS, the permission request dialog only pops up once. In this case, what we can do is switch into the app settings to allow user to turn on the permission again. Let's do that in the callback function. If the status is not granted, we will switch to the app settings. Let's run the application again. Ask permissions. Here we go. We are in the app settings of this application. The user can choose location and change to when in use to grant the permission.